Hi, this is Lee from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2015 Mitsubishi Lancer, stock number 6744. This ran from the 9th 2011 to the 12th 2017. It has a 4B11 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a 4B11 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, left front 16-inch factory aluminium tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory aluminium tyre, left hand tail light, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory aluminium tyre, right rear door 1 dent, right front door 1 dent, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 16-inch factory aluminium tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster.